In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a Todoist reset. Whether you're trying to declutter your task list or start from a blank slate, a reset can be a great way to get organized. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. Once you're logged into your Todoist account, it's essential to understand what a Todoist reset entails. For our purposes, a reset involves deleting all your tasks to start afresh. This approach is ideal if you're looking for a clean slate and prefer to have complete control over adding tasks back in. You essentially have two routes to achieve this reset: manually deleting all projects and tasks, or opting for a complete reset by deleting your Todoist account through the account settings. Let's first talk about manually clearing out tasks and projects. If you're interested in selectively picking which parts of your workspace need a refresh, this might be the way to go. Begin by navigating to each project you wish to edit. Once you're in the desired project, you can click and drag your mouse to select all the tasks you want to eliminate. With these tasks selected, simply press the delete key, and voila, they're removed from your project. Choosing this method allows you the flexibility to clear specific tasks without impacting the entirety of your Todoist account. This way, you maintain control over what stays and what goes. Now, if you're thinking of a total reset and are considering deleting your entire account, let's explore that option. To start, you'll want to head over to your account settings. Here, you'll find the option to delete your account. Scroll through your settings until you locate the option marked Delete Account. Once you find it, click on it and follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. It's crucial to bear in mind that deleting your account is irreversible, so double-check that it's truly what you want to do. When you proceed with this, your account, along with all the stored tasks and projects, will be permanently erased. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to resetting Todoist. Whether you choose to manually clear individual tasks or take the plunge with a full account deletion, you now possess the knowledge to start anew. One last tip before you proceed: always make sure to back up any crucial information you may want to retain before initiating the deletion process. Thanks so much for watching. Happy organizing!